Fell. Hey, how's it going? We're actually trying to get out of the house safely as we can. We're going on a little social isolation tour. You know, the gas is cheap, so we figured we might as well take advantage of it and get out of the house and do some hiking, see some falls. That way we can kind of get rid of our shack wackiness and still stay away from everybody else. What do you think so far, Blakely, of the whole extended March break and everything going on?
I like it that I don't have to go to school and wake up early.
Do you think the whole thing's kind of crazy? Yeah? Are you gonna miss school?
Not that much.
Even if there's an extra 2 weeks off, you're not gonna miss it?
No.
No? What are you doing to stay busy at home? Are you still learning? Anyway, we are on our way to towards Antigonish, just outside of Antigonish, Arisaig, I think it's pronounced. I'm not exactly sure. It's a Gaelic community that there's a lighthouse and a couple waterfalls there. So we're gonna check it out, and hopefully we can make it there if there's not a whole lot of snow. And Blakely has one more thing.
And my dad said we might be able to find foxes.
Fossils?
Foxes.
Foxes or fossils, either one would be fun.
F-O-X.
Foxes. We are going to try and find foxes at Arisaig. Okay, we will check back. Okay, so I just pulled over on the side of the highway just outside of Arisaig. There's the McAdams Brook Falls. It's supposed to be just on the edge of the highway, so I'm just going to take a look and see if I can find it. I just hopped the guardrail. I can hear it. Fell. This is a pretty sweet looking waterfall. Hopefully you can hear me. Okay, so McAdams Brook Falls. It's really gorgeous, it's easy to get to, but this time of year in the spring it was mucky and I slid down the hill and covered myself with muck. So if you come to visit this one, maybe go a little ways around like the way I'm coming back up and you'll be fine. Anyway, let's head over to the Arisaig Waterfall and Lighthouse. Hopefully I can get myself cleaned up. It's not that bad, is it? I can't see it yet. Okay, so we just pulled over at the Arisaig Park. We're gonna try to make our way down to the...
It's a two-way road.
Yeah, we just made our way down to the Arisaig Park. We're gonna try to make our way down to the waterfall and keep as much social distance as we can, because a lot of people have the same idea. By yourself, pal. You can do it. The big bridge. Here we go. All right, Daddy, help me. You find it? Cool. Look, we're gonna go to this bench and look at the waterfall. Yeah, right here. All right, it's recorded.
Look at it like this.
Yeah.
Point at it.
So we found the waterfall, and we think it's very cool. And it's very windy and cold. So we're gonna head home soon.
Are we?
And it's very cool. And also back there I got sand in my shoe. It's very, very pretty. So yeah, I'm gonna go back there now. And those of you that have seen this, you might know that it might be a little bit dangerous because there's a bunch of cliffs here. And it's very windy. Whoa! And I'm almost falling. So, yeah. Done.
Okay, so I don't know if we're gonna bother flying the drone because it is very, very windy and I don't want to lose it. So I'm gonna just try to get to the bottom of the falls. It's not a huge waterfall, but we'll go check it out. Alright, so we just came back from the falls. We're at the little picnic area and we're thinking about checking out the lighthouse. We'll see. Spencer's getting a little cranky and I don't know if we got a lot left in us. We'll see if we can drive down to it and see how windy it is. So that might be the end of the journey. Wasn't able to fly the drone because it's way too windy. So we'll be back to the car and see if we're going to do the lighthouse or not. All right, well, unfortunately, it was way too windy to fly the drone, but we did get to see the lighthouse, and I think I'd like to go back in the summer and actually fly the drone there because there's some nice cliffs along there. It's a nice spot to bring the kids, safe walk. There's a little bit of ice, but it's not long and it's not hard. So, like always, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.